Hey everyone, welcome back to the Winsham channel. Today, we're diving into a super helpful guide to help you choose between steam irons and dry irons. Whether you're looking for smooth, wrinkle-free clothes or just exploring which iron fits your needs best, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which iron works best for your lifestyle. So stick around and let's get started. Let's start with the steam iron. These irons are super popular because they combine heat with steam to tackle tough wrinkles. Steam irons have built-in water tanks, so you can easily press a button, and the steam helps relax fabric fibers, making ironing faster and more effective. Great for heavy fabrics like cotton, denim, or linen. Helps with deep-set wrinkles and folds. Can double as a vertical steamer for quick touch-ups on hanging clothes. Now let's talk about the dry iron. Unlike steam irons, dry irons don't produce any steam. Instead, they rely solely on heat to smooth out your clothes. This makes them great for delicate fabrics that could get damaged by water or steam. Ideal for light fabrics like silk, satin, and polyester. Easier to maintain, no water means no leaks or calcium buildup. More precise temperature control for different types of fabrics. Choosing between a steam iron and a dry iron depends on what you're ironing and how often you use it. Here's a quick breakdown to help you decide. Ultimately, if you iron a lot of different fabric types or need something versatile, a steam iron might be the better choice. But if you're focused on delicate clothes or precision ironing, go with the dry iron. Before we wrap up, here are some final tips to keep in mind when choosing the right iron. Check the wattage. Higher wattage irons heat up faster and perform better on thick fabrics. Consider weight. A lighter iron is easier to handle for long sessions, but a heavier one can be more effective on tough wrinkles. Look for additional features like auto shutoff, adjustable steam settings, and a comfortable handle. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide helped you choose the best clothing iron for your needs. Let us know in the comments whether you're team steam iron or dry iron and why.